visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Pinag-iisipan mo kung ready ka na bang ma-in-love ulit. Your cards are the Page of Pentacles, the King of Wands, and the Hermit. Merong tao na parang napipisil ng puso natin, no? Giliw na giliw tayo sa taong yon. Magaling magsalita, no? Meron tayong nakikita dito na confident kasi itong taong ito. For a few numbers of you, baka meron nga itong age gap, no, sa'yo and between them. It can be a May December love affair, pwedeng konti lang yung gap, pwede rin ito LGBTQIA+ na relationship. Mabait siya, no, dahil somewhat binibigyan tayo ng kung ano-ano. No, it can be food, it can be attention, it could be affection. Ngayon, para kasing sinasabi mo, ganito lang ba siya sa lahat ng tao? Baka mamaya ako lang yung nai-in love, tapos at the end of the day, sasaktan ko yung sarili ko kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung totoo niyang nararamdaman. Pero parang gusto ko na rin siya. Kahit anong pigil pa yan sa sarili mo, kahit ayaw mong isipin, parang yung presensya niya, no, is haunting you. The Six of Swords and the Page of Swords, hindi mo to kailangang pilitin. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin na magjowa kayo. Kusa itong dadating, no? Walang dapat magkaroon ng pagpilit dito, even your person. Dadating yung time na with the Page of Swords, bigla nyo na lang maiisip, uy, sandali, ginagawa na natin yung mga kilo, salita, no? Kulang na lang yung talagang message na I love yous or pag-usapan nyo na kayo. Pero ito, dire-diretso to. I'm seeing committed relationship. I feel like meron kang business or nagsisimula ka ng business, no? Tas yung isa naman parang sumasali ng mga contest. It could be a beauty contest or models, no? So yeah, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Or it could be your zodiac sign or a placement in your chart. Gemini, Libra, Virgo, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Taurus. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.